Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading tayo today for the Libra. So, yeah, anong meron sa Libra natin ngayon, no? So, kamusta ang mga Libra natin ngayon, no? So, tignan natin anong meron sa inyo mga Libra right now, no? Tignan natin. Kamusta kayo, Libra? So, let's see, Universe, Holy Spirit. How are the Libras right now, no? Kamusta kaya ang ating mga Libra right now, no? Anong meron sa mga Libra natin today? No? Anong meron sa mga Libras natin? Kamusta sila? Universe, Holy Spirit, please. Kamusta ang ating mga Libra? So, madami masyado. So, tignan natin tong ano bang pwede. Ulitin ko lang to. So, one more. Kamusta po ang ating Libra right now? Holy Spirit, no? Universe, please. One card for the Libra. One card, please. Para sa ating Libra, kamusta po kayo? Mga Libra, no? Parang ayaw magpaano ng ating mga Libra right now, no? So, tignan natin dito sa isang card. Kamusta ang ating mga Libra? Ano bang sitwasyon meron kayo ngayon? Mga Libra, right? No? So, yun na. May lumabas na. What is this? Be open to receiving, no? For some of you, no? Libra, no? Sabi dito is, meron, be open to receiving, no? So, for some of you, maybe, there are opportunities na mag-open doors for you, no? Libra, no? So, this is a good news, no? Right, no? For some of you na naghihintay ng maybe job offering, no? Or for some of you na nag-apply sa job is matatanggap na. So, be open to receive, no? Sabi dito. And for some of you, maybe you are going to open a business, no? So, be open to receive, no? So, there are a lot of opportunities for you right now, no, Libra? So, yeah, be open to receive, but then, be mindful upon receiving those offers, no? Dapat pag-aralan mo na mabuti. Ano-ano tong mga offers for you, no? So, kailangan malaman mo muna mga details, no? Before pursuing those offers, no? Right? No? So, yeah, that's it. So, tignan naman natin what else for the Libra. Anong sitwasyon meron sa ating mga Libra right now? So, ano pa ba? Parang nalilito na. Tignan pa natin. What else for the Libra? Kamusta kayo, no? Ano pang meron para sa ating mga Libra right now? Please, Universe, Holy Spirit. So, ano pa bang meron? This one na lang, tignan natin. Ayaw talaga dun sa isang card, no? Walang lumalabas. So, this one. So, yun na, no? So, you have this, Libra, no? For some of you, no? You have this sacred mission on the way, no? So, yeah. For some of you, no? Talagang confirm there are opportunities for you na soon to be open or is opening for you now, no? Libra, no? So, for some of you, sacred mission on the way, no? Kayo lang nakakaalam nito, kung sino man ito. Pwedeng, kumbaga, sacred is something spiritual, no? For some of you, maybe, pwedeng kayo ay healer, spiritual coach, something like that, no? Kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? Or maybe, yun nga, may mga new opportunities na mag-open. And yeah, it's on it's on the way na, no, right? No, so be open to receive, no, for some of you Libra, no. So what else para sa ating Libra, please, Universe, Holy Spirit? So you have this, no, believe in yourself daw, no, Libra, no. So for some of you, nawawalan ata kayo ng tiwala sa inyong sarili, right? No, so sinasabi sa inyo dito na believe in yourself, no? So, whatever it is kaya nyo yan, no? Kung ano man itong nagda-doubt kayo sa sarili nyo, huwag kayong mag-doubt because kaya niyo yan, kung ano man yan, no? Kung ano man yung pinagda-doubt niyo sa sarili niyo, no? Libra, no? Kayo lang din nakakaalam yan. So, believe in yourself, no? Don't doubt. Huwag kayong, kumbaga, huwag niyong bang magtiwala lang kayo sa sarili niyo na kaya niyo yan, kung ano man yan, no? Right? And, and maybe this one is also telling you na kung ano man yung naiisip mo, ano man itong mga nasa sarili mo is believe in yourself na ikaw yan, no? Right? No? For some of you, maybe this is a confirmation, may tinatanong kayo, no? And this is the confirmation na believe in yourself na totoo lahat yan, kung ano man yan, no? So, yeah. So, what else? And, di ba? Ito pa, no? Only you they can trust on this, no? So, meron dito, confirmation din na kung ano man tong sisimulan mo is para lang talaga to sa iyo dahil ikaw lang daw talaga ang makakagawa nito, no? For some of you, no? So, ito yung sinasabi din sa'yo. Ikaw lang yung kayang gumawa nito, kung ano man ito. Ikaw lang din yung pinagkakatiwalaan na gawin itong bagay na to or whatever it is. Maybe the sacred mission, no? Kung ano man itong mission mo sa buhay, no? For some of you, Libra, no? So, ikaw lang din nakakaalam nito, no? So, yeah. Ikaw lang din daw ang mapagkakatiwalaan sa kung ano man itong bagay na to, right? No? So, what else? For the Libra, please, universe, what else? Para sa ating Libra, ano pa pong meron para sa Libra natin, universe, please? So, masyadong madaming lumabas, no? Hindi natin kukunin, universe, kasi medyo madami, no? So, i-shuffle ko lang to saglit, no? Nagiging excited yung mga Libra na ngayon, no? So, kanina ayaw lumabas ang mga cards. Ngayon, nagtatalunan ang mga cards. So, let's see. Ano pang meron para sa ating mga Libra? Any messages, please? Universe, for the Libra natin, no? So, you have this, no? For some of you, no, Libra, you have this ex-lover, your enemy in life, no? So, maybe you have this ex-lover, no? Na kung sino man yung in separation kayo, no? Sinasabi rito ay siya din daw ang enemy nyo. Ang enemy in life nyo. So, maybe hindi kayo titigilan na sirain itong tao na to, no? So, beware with this ex-lover of yours, Libra, no? So, winawarningan kayo rito ni universe, right? No? So, what else para sa ating mga Libra, please? What else? Messages or advice para sa ating Libra, please? Universe, Holy Spirit. What else para sa ating Libra? What else? So, what is this? Soon to travel, reach your goal, no? So, for some of you, Libra, no? Merong pag-travel dito soon, no? Maybe this is related kung ano man itong mga gagawin nyo, no? So, you will be traveling soon, no? And this one is, yeah, related sa inyong goal, no? Kung ano man ito, no? Marireach nyo yung goal nyo. Once na nag-umpisa na ito, and you will be traveling soon, no? For some of you, Libra. And what else, please, universe? What else for the Libra? What else para sa ating Libra, universe, please? What else? So, tingnan pa natin. So, yan, no? Change of career, no? So, for some of you, maybe, nag-change na kayo ng career nyo, no? Maybe, yun nga, no? Nagpalit kayo ng career nyo. Yeah, literally, no? So, yun nga, merong mga, yeah, nag-change ng career, no? So, meron kayong mga iniwanan na mga trabaho, maybe, no? Nag-resign na yung iba sa inyo and you are going to a new job, new offer, no? For some of you, kaya nga meron dito, be open to receive, no? So, talagang may mag-change ng career dito, no? Mag-iiba talaga yung path ng ano nyo, no? Ng inyong stability, something like that, no? something with the stability, no? Maybe kaya mag-change kayo ng career dahil wala nang stability doon sa old na ginagawa nyo, right? No? So, for some of you, Libra, ay babaguhin nyo kung ano man tong career nyo before is babaguhin nyo ngayon, no? So, yeah. So, what else? So, yeah, di ba? Seed starts to grow, no? For some of you, Libra, no? Ito ang sinasabi ni Universe, no? Kumbaga, itong seed starts to grow. Ito yung mga pangarap mo before, no? At ngayon, for some of you, ito yung pinupursue mo right now, no? Itong mga seeds mo na tinanim mo before pa, na ngayon ay magkakaroon ka na ng time for this, na to grow these seeds, no? Right? No? So, meron ka ng time para diligan itong seeds na ito, right? No? So, what else para sa ating Libra? Please, Universe, what else? Message or advice para sa ating Libra, no? Na nag-change ng career, no? So, what else? So, yeah, no? You are a manifestor daw, no? Sabi ni Universe. What is manifestor, no? So, whatever na iyong naisin, no? Libra, meron kang kakayahan na maging totoo ito, no? Basta maniwala ka lang sa iyong sarili, right? No? Believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and of course, have faith in God, no? Kung ano man yung mga gusto mo, naisin mo, may power ka, you have the will na maging makamit to. Ikaw lang, kumbaga, ikaw yung manifestor ng buhay mo, ikaw ang nagde-decide ng buhay mo. 'Di ba? At kaya mong tuparin ano man yung gusto mong naisin, right? No? For some of you. And what else? One last card for the Libra, right? No? Please, Universe, Holy Spirit, what else? No? Last card for the Libra natin. One more card, no? So, may tumalon na naman. So, yan, no? Ito naman, for some of you, no? This is a warning, no? This is just a guidance lang naman, no? And for some of you, you have this friend who is an enemy, no? Sinasabi, /enemy, no? So, maybe kilala nyo na rin to kung sino man itong friend na enemy nyo rin, no? And for some of you, kung sino man tong in a relationship nyo ngayon, right now, is makakatulong daw to sa inyo. Your lover/help, no? So, kung sino man ito, right now, for some of you, Libra, is makakatulong siya sa iyo, no? Kumaga, tinutulungan ka, maybe, or makakatulong for some of you, no? But, kumaga, take what's resonate, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, Libra, no? So, yeah, so tignan natin what are, so, more on career ang mga Libras natin right now, no? So, focus kayo sa career nyo, mga Libra, no? Ayun ang iniintindi nyo right now. So, tignan natin what are, final message or advice for you, Libra ni Universe, no? Final message or advice for you, Libra, na goal-oriented, no? Super focus kayo ngayon. Kung ano man itong mission nyo, no? Napaka-focus nyo right now, no? So, tignan natin. Message or advice for you ni Universe, Libra, no? Tignan natin anong message or advice. Parang wala nang mai-advise sa'yo si Universe, no? Kasi, alam mo na rin talaga yung mga gagawin mo, no? So you have this becoming nobody. What is this becoming nobody? Let's get another card, no? One more card, please, for the Libra. One more card, please, Universe, for the Libra. For the messages or advice for the Libra natin. One more card, please. One more card para sa ating Libra, please, Universe, please. Holy Spirit, one more card. Wala nang lumalabas, no? Sandali. What is that becoming nobody, no? So, titignan ko lang po. Becoming nobody. So, tignan natin tong isang card. Maybe ito yung pinaka-final card natin, no? For the Libra, please. So, 2 cards. Ilan to? Ang dami lumabas. 3 cards. So, yan, no? So, ito na, no? So, you have this. So, yan, no? You have this card, Becoming Nobody, Shadow, Adventure. Nakikita nyo ba? No? Madilim. And last is Trust, no? So, maybe, I think this one is connected with this shadow, no? So, some of you, Libra, no? Sinasabi rito, no? Right now, you are nobody, kumbaga, hindi ka kilala, something like that, because you are doing it, or kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, di ba? Right now is you're doing it in shadow, something like that, no? Parang nag-i-start ka right now, but then you are just silent, no? You're just becoming nobody, no? Kumbaga, ito ka, hindi ka naman nag-hide, but then hindi ka lang vocal kung ano man itong ginagawa mo right now, no? So, yun nga, no? So, pero may mga pagbabagong nangyayari right now sa iyo, no? But then, you are just being silent, no? So, yun ang nakikita ko rito. And maybe, for some of you, no? For some of you, with this shadow, kung makikita mo, maybe this is also a warning for some of you, Libra, no? Na there is someone who is doing something, no? Kung makikita mo to is may mga candles siya rito, no? No, kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, no? For some of you, there is something or I mean someone, no? Na doing maybe a spell, no? Maybe take what's resonate, no? So kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, no? So there is someone na maybe this person is, I don't know kung galit ba ito sa inyo. I don't know, kasi with the candles around, no? Parang meron siyang ginagawang something, no? May ritual ditong nangyayari, no? So, kumbaga, this is just a guidance lang for you, no? So, and don't claim this because this is a negative, no? So, you have to pray lang, no? Para hindi mangyari to, no? And then, the last 2 cards, no? You have this adventure, no? So, for some of you, yun nga, no? 'Di ba merong soon to travel, no? So maybe may kinalaman din to sa adventure, no? Once na nag-travel kayo, maybe that travel is also an adventure for you, no? So for some of you, no, you will be soon traveling, you will be having this adventure, no? Once na nag-travel ka. So, ibig sabihin, magiging masaya kayo sa travel na yon, kung ano man yung travel na yon. And with this trust, no, trust, maybe etong trust na to, right now, dahil ikaw ito, nobody, di ba? You are starting yourself from nobody, di ba? Ikaw ito, with the trust, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe, ni God, trust the process, no? You have to trust the process kung ano man itong ginagawa mo. You're nobody right now. Kung makikita mo, ikaw to, di ba? Ano ba yung umpisa ng butterfly? Cocoon, right? No? So, ikaw ito, nobody ka pa. Right? No? Nandito ka pa nobody, hindi ka pa lumalabas. But then, you are doing your work inside the cocoon, right? No? And then, after the cocoon, lalabas ka na, di ba? Ito ka na. And then, after a long period of time pa rin, no? So, there is a long period na, or I mean, long waiting, or hindi naman long waiting, it's a long process pa rin, di ba? Hindi naman agad-agad magiging butterfly ka di ba? So, trust the process para soon you will be this beautiful butterfly, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni universe dito, no? Trust the process, wag mainip, no? Whatever it is you're doing, kung ngayon nagsisimula ka, you're just nobody, di ba? But then, after the process, ito ka na, magiging maganda kang butterfly, makikilala ka for some of you, di ba? magiging well-known ka. Ito yung nakikita ko rito with the butterfly, di ba? There is a big transformation that will happen to you, Libra, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? And after that, no, makikita mo, you are ready to fly, no? So, yun nga, no? There will be a big transformation, transition that soon will be happening to you, no, Libra, no? So, just trust the process daw, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa'yo ni universe from God, no? So, you are guided here, no? Kung makikita mo, wala etong paligid mo, wala ka sa ano eh, kung makikita mo, wala ka sa ibaba eh. You are in the top, oh, right? You are processing, you are transitioning at the top, right? No? Without you knowing, no? Akala mo is wala lang to, but then you are being guided here with the clouds, makita mo. Angels are surrounded, 'di ba? Diyan sa paligid mo, tinutulungan ka nila. So, wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. I mean, magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Trust the process, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung sinisimulan mo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, right, no? Because maybe, yes, this is a long process pa, no? Medyo matagal-tagal pa ito, but then, surely, it will happen for you, Libra, no? Makikilala ka with this butterfly, and then you are ready to fly, no? You will be fly. After this, kasi kung makikita mo, you will be well known eh, for some of you, Libra, no? And after, kung ano man tong sacred mission mo, no, right, no? After that, you will be flying, no, towards in heaven, no, something like that, no. Kasi kung makikita mo, ito ka na, oh, after ng process mo, transition, kung ano man itong mga ginawa mo dito, no, and then you will reach your goal, no. After that, you fulfilled na, you are ready to fly na, no. Babalik ka na kung saan ka belong, no? Parang gano'n yung nakikita ko rito. Kumbaga, it's time for you to go home where you belong, right, no? It's a long process, but then makakauwi ka na rin kung saan ka talaga nararapat, right, no? Kung with this card, kumbaga, eto ka na, lilipad ka na kasi you want to go home na eh, right? Ito yung nakikita ko rito, no? Kumbaga, nahirapan ka with this cocoon eh. Ang daming process, ang dami mong pinagdaanan, but then, trust the process, soon, makakauwi ka na rin, right? No? So, yeah, ayan yung sinasabi sa'yo rito, Libra, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? For some of you lang ito, no? Na makaka-relate, no? Not everyone is makaka-resonate sa reading na ito, no? So, yeah, that's it, Libra, no? So, again, thank you for watching, Libra, no? So, yeah, no? Beware with this person, no? Kung sino man ito na may masamang intention sa inyo, no? So, be aware lang, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, Libra? And, yeah, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And, again, trust the process, trust in God, no? Have faith na kaya mo yan. And, of course, have the strong faith kay God na inaalalayan ka, no? You are being guided talaga with these clouds here, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, Libra, no? So, yeah, God bless you, Libra, and thank you, Libra.